Okay, I'm doing like a two-third review. Like, how do I say this? I am going to review the book that I'm reading, but I am only two-thirds of it. There you go. It looks like I read less, but the thing is that at the end there are many. Um, the list of references is very long, so the book is called Cerebro y Libertad, Brain and Freedom. Uh, the cerebral foundation of our capacity to choose, Joaquin Fuster. Okay, he is a doctor in philosophy and medicine. He is professor of cognitive neuroscience at the University of Cerebral Investigations uh, in the Institute CML of Neuroscience and Human Behavior of the University of California, Los Angeles, blah blah. Anyways, so it's taking a long time for me to do this book, read this book, because it's very technical and that's something I really love, but it takes. I mean, it's. I have to. It just takes longer because I have to like think about it a lot and I have to research like terms and be able to really think about what it's going on. And it's not something I could read like passing by when I have just small chunks of free time. I have to like sit and read if I want to really understand it. But the thing is that what I understood is that so far is that he's justifies the idea of free will, and he makes a distinction between, or he makes the case that doing like free will, it's not necessarily related to conscious choices necessarily, and that's where there is like a dichotomy in neuroscientists when they say that there is no such thing as free will. It's because there's no such thing as conscious, like 100% conscious free will, and that's okay, you know. So he just understands free will in another degree of freedom, in the sense that everything, of course, our choices are based not only on our conscious rationalization of our beliefs, but also on previous experience, and not only that, but like our biological baggage, and that's very important. But that doesn't make it less free, because the way the way in which this is completely multivariant. There are too many factors that induce the our ability to choose, and that actually makes it very rich in the way we plan for the future, or not even that, and the way we react to things, etc., etc., which is amazing to think about. And it's very, very neurobiological. It's not psychologically based. It's neurobiological, which I really appreciate, because you get to understand the mechanisms a little bit better, like the physiological mechanisms of how this happen in the cerebral cortex, the limbic system, and everything, right? And I'm enjoying this a lot. I haven't finished yet, and I will probably do a better review once I do, because I am enjoying this a lot. Free will is a subject that fascinates me, and to be honest, I haven't really read the other side of the coin. Like, I have downloaded Sam Harris's Free Will booklet, because it's very short, but I haven't read it. I did listen to him a lot talk about this, and other neuroscientists and philosophers, about how free will doesn't really exist. But it's just a very subtle distinction on terminology again and semantics, which just baffles me, because it's I can't believe how much how important the definitions are, right? So anyways, I will do a better rendition to this book, and once I finish it, hopefully I will do it this week.